water in the year of '84 has come. They're about to close the canyon down, too wild to run. But we know, yes we know, it can be done. 100,000 cubic feet thundering down. Hear the rapids rumbling, they shake the ground. And we feel, yes we feel, their distant sound. But you can't take the challenge from a river runner's life. Can't hold them back and keep them safe, can't make them step aside. With the swollen muddy waters, our last unknown frontier, down the wild river we will ride. The waves of 40 feet, holes half the river wide. Boats are tossed like driftwood, barely kept upright. Of this we dream, yes we dream, swept out of sight. You can't take the challenge from a river runner's life. Can't hold them back and keep them safe, can't make them step aside. With the swollen muddy waters, our last unknown frontier, down the wild river we will ride. When Colorado rain and snow flow muddy thick and high, we come to seek the canyon challenge on a river wild. And we run, yes we run, big water miles. But you can't take the challenge from a river runner's life. Can't hold them back and keep them safe, can't make them step aside. With the swirling muddy waters, our last unknown frontier, down the wild river we will ride. Down the wild river we will